Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into an inspiring and thought-provoking book, Who Will Cry When You Die, by the one and only Robin Sharma. If you've ever wondered about the deeper meaning of life and how to live it with purpose, this book might just have the answers you're looking for. Robin Sharma's self-help book, Who Will Cry When You Die, provides helpful guidance on leading a more purposeful and happy life. The book is organized into 101 brief chapters, each of which focuses on a distinct lesson or nugget of knowledge. The book is accessible to a broad readership due to the clear and simple way in which these teachings are given. The book exhorts readers to live intentionally, manage their time well, and cultivate wholesome relationships. The author provides straightforward yet insightful advice for enhancing relationships, health, and personal development, among other facets of life. One of the book's main themes, living a life that will leave a legacy and positively influence others, is highlighted in the title alone. The author stresses the value of being kind and compassionate, living life truthfully, and savoring every moment. The lessons, which touch on subjects like time management, the value of solitude, meditation, overcoming fear, and upholding one's morals, are derived from author's experiences and philosophical views. Readers can easily assimilate and implement the teachings in their own life because each chapter is a concise, bite-sized perspective or piece of advice. Here are 25 key insights from the book. Insights 1. Live with purpose. Focus on what truly matters in life and invest your time in things that bring meaning and fulfillment. Insights 2. Leave a legacy. Think about the kind of legacy you want to leave behind. Ask yourself, who will cry when you die? Insights 3. The power of gratitude. Cultivate gratitude daily. It shifts your perspective and helps you appreciate life's blessings. Insights 4. Embrace the present. Live in the moment. Don't dwell too much on the past or worry about the future. Insights 5. Meditation for clarity. Incorporate meditation into your daily routine to find inner peace, reduce stress, and gain clarity. Insight 6. Live with integrity. Make decisions based on your values, and act with honesty, no matter how difficult the situation. Insight 7. Master your mindset. Control your thoughts rather than letting them control you. A positive mindset can change your reality. Insights 8. Small acts of kindness. Small gestures of kindness can have a big impact, and they help create meaningful connections. Insights 9. Prioritize relationships. Cultivate deep, meaningful relationships with family, friends, and others. These bonds are what matter most. Insights 10. Find balance. Strive to balance work, relationships, health, and personal growth. Avoid extremes. Insights 11. Time is your most valuable asset. Treat time like the precious resource it is. Spend it wisely and don't waste it on trivial matters. Insights 12. Take care of your health. Health is wealth. Exercise regularly, eat well, and prioritize your well-being. Insights 13. Be a lifelong learner. Never stop learning. Continually improve yourself through books, experiences, and new challenges. Insights 14. Overcome fear. Fear holds you back. Confront it, understand it, and move forward despite it. Insights 15. The power of simplicity. Simplify your life. Focus on what's essential and eliminate the unnecessary distractions. Insight 16. Do what you love. Don't just work for a paycheck. Pursue your passions and align your career with what excites you. Insight 17. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is the foundation of success. Practice it daily in all areas of your life. Insights 18. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own journey. Comparing yourself to others is a waste of energy. Insights 19. Live authentically. Be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not just to please others. Insights 20. Let go of the past. Release old wounds, grudges, and regrets. They only hold you back from moving forward. Insights 21. Create a vision for your life. Set a clear vision for what you want to achieve and work towards it consistently. Insights 22. Embrace solitude. Spending time alone allows you to reconnect with yourself, reflect, and gain perspective. Insights 23. Serve others. Find ways to serve others selflessly. True fulfillment comes from helping those around you. Insights 24. Challenge yourself. Push yourself out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you face challenges head on. Insights 25. Focus on what you can control. Let go of things beyond your control and focus on what you can do to improve your life and the lives of others. To conclude, Who Will Cry When You Die? By Robin Sharma is a guide for living a meaningful life, focusing on relationships, health, purpose, and legacy. The book encourages personal growth, integrity, gratitude, and simplifying life to bring joy and fulfillment. Its concise format makes it a valuable resource for those seeking motivation and practical wisdom. Enjoyed this review? Don't forget to subscribe for more book insights, life lessons, and inspiration to help you live your best life. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our next transformative read.